Hello friends, welcome to my channel Not So Readymade. In this video, we will be discussing about clouds, their various types and combination clouds. But before that, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. What comes to your mind when anyone says the word clouds? What are clouds? So, clouds are tiny droplets of water vapor too small to fall as rain or snow that remain suspended in air or somehow float in air. Their presence tells us a lot about the weather. They are an ever-changing aspect of weather. They keep on changing. That is how they help us know about the weather that we are going to experience. Their form, shape, height and movements tell us about the sky conditions and the weather we are likely to experience. So, how are clouds classified? On the basis of their form, height and appearance, that is at what distance they are from the ground, they are mainly classified into four types, which are further divided into subparts, commonly called as combination clouds. So, the first one is Cirrus, second Cumulus, third is Stratus, then comes the Nimbus. So here we'll be starting with the first one, that is cirrus clouds. These look like feathers and have a sheen-like appearance. Latin word cirrus means curl of hair. So as you can see in the pictures, they represent a very nice weather and they are indicative of great sunrises and sunsets. The sun is easily visible through them. They are formed high in the sky, so are usually made up of ice crystals. They look like locks of hair. That is why they are named as cirrus. Second comes cumulus clouds. Latin word cumulus means pile or heap. They look like cotton balls in the sky and are made up of water vapors or water droplets or ice crystals. They are scattered here and there and exist in patches. They have a flat base and the upper part looks like a cauliflower. They form beautiful patterns in the sky and exist sometimes differently. Stratus clouds. Latin word stratus means to spread out. They sit very low and look like a blanket. The sun rays cannot pass through them. Because they settle so low, that is why they are known as high fogs. They can be seen touching the peaks of mountains in summers and they are usually white then. But in winters, they are black and bring along little rain. The next is nimbus clouds. The word nimbus is associated with rain. They are black or dark gray in color and formed at middle level or very near to the surface of earth. They are often shapeless. So this is the chart in which all four types of clouds are arranged. So if you guys want, this is in a PDF form, I can provide you, and for that you can join my Telegram channel Not So Readymade. The link to the channel has been provided in the description box below. आप मेरे चैनल को, टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं अगर आपको इसकी PDF चाहिए हो. इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने लिंक प्रोवाइड करा हुआ है. So now we'll talk about cloud combinations. Actually, scientists who want to describe a cloud more accurately add other terms to the name. So clouds can be a mixture of two or more types. Like you can spot them together in the sky or in one of the forms that we are going to discuss next. They are mainly of 7 types. The first one being cirrocumulus. So, as suggested from the name, they are a combination of cirrus and cumulus. So they are formed very high up in the sky and form ripples in the mackerel sky. By this we mean they appear like scales as on the body of the fish, but not that prominent because they are at a very high distance from the ground, so are not that prominent as the scales of the fish. The next is cirrostratus. Combination of cirrus and stratus. So they are like a white sheet, as stratus is in a sheet form. They are like a white sheet that make the sky look milky, but moon and sun can shine through it with a characteristic halo. As you can see in the picture, the beautiful halo that is created, and the sky is quite milky. The next one in the list of cloud combinations is altocumulus. They are also called middle height clouds or alto clouds. Woolly, bumpy clouds arranged in layers. They indicate fine weather. They appear like waves in the blue sky. They have this woolly structures, white woolly structures against this blue background of the sky. They form very beautiful patterns and indicate a very nice weather too. The next one in the list of cloud combinations is altostratus. They are denser grayish clouds with a watery look. They have a fibrous structure through which sun's rays can shine faintly, but they create beautiful patterns in the sky. Very dull pattern, but quite interesting. The next is stratocumulus, a rough, bumpy cloud, mainly a sheet cloud, with waves more pronounced than in altocumulus. This is because altocumulus is at a distance and strato is quite near, as alto is middle cloud and strato is near the surface. There is great contrast between the bright and shaded parts. Beautiful patterns can be observed in the sky. They are very, very prominent. The next is nimbostratus clouds, a dark dull cloud very clearly layered, as called a rain cloud. It brings continuous rain or snow or sleet. They cover the whole area like a blanket, and the sun rays cannot pass through them, as can be seen in the pictures. The next one is cumulonimbus clouds, an overgrown cumulus clouds extending for a tremendous vertical height from the base. Like a cumulus cloud extends from the base like a cauliflower and keeps extending vertically. Then it becomes cumulonimbus. Its black and white globular masses take a great vertical height and are often called as thunder clouds because they accompanied with thunder and storms. So that's all about clouds, its types, and how you can identify them. If you found this video or this concept useful, then like the video and share it with your friends. In the next video, I'll be discussing about precipitation and different types of precipitation. That is, we'll take one concept at a time. So for more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And in the comment section, you can tell me which one was your favorite cloud. Thank you so much.